Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen of the press. I am Professor Joseph Osenihai of the Department of Statistics, University of Benin. I'm a professor of mathematical statistics of Benin. I am the coalition officer to Nembe local government for the Bayelsa 2019 governorship election. Please listen very carefully. Number of registered voters in that LGA, 92,546, 92,546. 92546. Number of accredited voters in that LGA, Nembe local government, 85103. 85103. 85,103. The various parties got the following votes. The various parties, please, got the following votes.
Valid votes and non-valid votes.
I'm going to read the way, they just told me the way it appeared there, and I'm following it sequentially, please. You have to get it and get it clearly. Thank you very much. Party A got 261. 261. Party A got 261. Party AAC got 41. Party AAC got 41. Party AD got 23. 23. I'm told to, relax first so that we can continue. From the high table, sir. Can I continue, sir? Thank you very much, sir. I told you party AD got 23. 23. Party ADP got 50. Party ADP got 50. 50. Party AGAP. Party AGAP got 0 votes. Got 0. Party ANP. Party ANP got 6 votes. Party ANP got 06 votes. 06 votes. Party APA. Party APA got 06. Party APA also got 06. Party APC. Party APC got 83041. 83041. 83,041. 83,041. Party APGA, ABGA. Party ABGA, please. Party ABGA got 03 votes. Got 3 votes. ABGA. Party APM. Party APM got 0 votes. Party APM got 0 votes. Party APP. Party APP got 0 votes. Party APP 0 also. Party ASD. Party ASD got 0 votes also. Party BNPP. Party BNPP got 0 votes. Party BNPP got 0 votes. Party CAP. Party CAP got 5 votes. 5 votes. 5 votes. Party CAP. Party CNP. Party CNP got 2 votes. 2 votes, CNP. Party DA. Party DA got 0 votes. Party DA got 0 votes. Party DPC. Party DPC got 87 votes. Party DPC got 87 votes. Party DPP. Party DPP got 2 votes. Got 2 votes. Party DPP. Party FJP. Party FJP got 1 votes. Got 1 vote. 1 vote. Fresh Party. FROESH got 0 votes. 0 votes. GPN. GPN. Okay. Can I continue, sir? Fresh got 0 votes. 0 votes. Thank you very much, sir. Can I continue my visit? Can I continue, sir?
Just for some minutes, eh?
Okay.
Please, just for some minutes, eh?
So, Prof, fire.
Thank you very much, my VC. Fresh party got 0 votes. GPN got 0 votes also. GPN got 0 votes. HDP got 0 votes also. KP got 0 votes. KP got 0 votes. LM got 61 votes. LM 61 votes. LP got 6 votes. 06 votes. LP. MMN got 0 votes. 0 votes. MPN got 04 votes. MPN got 4 votes. NCP got 3 votes. 03 votes. NDLP got 0 votes. 0 votes. NNPP got 02 votes. 02 votes. NNPP 02 votes.
So, Prof, sorry, start from 25, LP, please, huh?
LP. Thank you, sir. LP 06. 6 votes. 6. LP. Then the next is MNN. MNN. 0 vote. 0 vote. The next is MPN.
Is it M?
MPN. 04 votes. The next is, can I go on? The next is NCP. NCP 03. 03. The next is NDLP 00. 00. NDLP 00. The next is NNPP 02. 02. The next, NPC. NPC. NPC, can I go on, sir?
Yeah, go on.
03. The next is NRM. NRM 01. 01. The next is NUP. NUP 01. 01 NUP. The next is PDM. 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 02. 02. 02. The next is PDP. PDP. 874. 874 votes. 874. The next is PPA. PPA. 00. 00. The next is PPP. PPP. 00. Can I go on, sir? The next is PRP. PRP. 28 votes. The next is SNC. SNC. 27 votes. 27 votes. The next is UDP. UDP. Are you ready, sir?
Not quite. Is it UTP?
UDP.
Okay.
0 votes. 0 votes. The next is UP. The next is UP. UP. Can I? Okay, let me come back to SNC. SNC 27, 27, 27. SNC 27. Can I go on?
Sorry?
SNC. SNC 27. Can I go on, sir? The next is UDP. UDP. 0 votes. 0 votes. UDP. The next, UP. UP. 11. 1 1. UP. 11. The next, UPC. UPC. 2 2. 22. UPC 22. The next, sir. Can I go on, sir?
Yeah.
UPN. UPN 01. 01. The next is UPP. UPP 13 votes. 13 votes. 13 votes. The last but not the least. The last but not the least. ZLP. ZLP. 33 votes. 33 votes. Total valid vote for this election. Total valid vote for this election. 84620. 84620. 84,620. Invalid votes. Invalid votes. 302. 302. Total vote cast. Is it not? Total vote cast. 84922. 84922. I want to thank this body, please. Before I complete the thank, I must also thank God today that one of our vehicles ran into a swamp. And that vehicle is still in the swamp. But I'm grateful that we didn't lose any life. I'm very grateful. So I just felt I should make it known. And two of them are our staff in University of Benin, but God saved us.
So, Prof, thank you so much.
Thank you. But before I conclude, sir,
Yeah.
there is a letter of protest. I don't know, yes, by one of the parties that contested this election. And I will hand over the protest. I don't know whether to rec. I told him to also copy the rec and also copy the EO. I am only a collation officer. It is what came from the feed I have to collect. And the feed people told me they check all that they are supposed to check, and it was so. I want to thank all of you for this wonderful audience and for this wonderful privilege. Thank you very much. Well, as far as I know, sir, somebody asked whether there were cancellations.
Yeah.
I asked all my respective ROA collation officers, and they told me that as far as the result they got from the POs, they didn't get any cancellation. So that is why I also am not presenting any cancellation in this presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The way. So please, what you Prof, come and have it. Handshake.
Right.
Have a handshake. Thank you. Eh? Bless you. Eh? Nembe, just a minute, huh? So,
do I need to represent Sagbama?
know him very well. It's my colleague. So, just a minute, huh? You will do it, and you will do it, huh? You will do it. Huh? Allow me take on proof, huh? No. So, just is it on this one? Is it on? We okay. Oh, okay. Shoot.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
This is democracy. I remain Victor, running for the PC, representing a court. I want to say this categorically. Before now, I saw from the social media, there was a comment. Somebody made a comment that we should record one of the most peaceful local governments. And here I've discovered that in Nebe there was no cancellation. That is to say there was no violence. Election was peaceful, free, and fair. Let it be in records. But before then, there was violence before the election. But during the election, there was no violence. Let the whole world be aware. That's my complaint. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Is this still on Nebe? Okay, give him, huh?
Yes, thank you. I am Albert Itramakuma Odu, MPN State Agent, Mega Party of Nigeria. Yes, I want to commend the officers for a work well done, because these are the kind of vibrant people we need in the society. So thank you. And as far as I'm concerned, my agent informed me that there was no violence. No violence. It was free, fair, and credible. Thank you.
Hello? 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 Please allow him, please. Huh? Yeah.
Let me respect all protocols. I am Chief Akale Tasamana Weyman, the State Agent, People's Democratic Movement. If every returning officer can come here and without contradicting his or herself and will be giving us this type of results, I think we will not waste time here. Thank you.
So, thank you. Is it,
Please permit me to observe all protocols.
Please, calm yourself down, huh?
I am very, very, very interested in the unfolding drama. It is an unfolding drama because we are celebrating a perfected rigging. INEC is aware that some materials are human beings going to Nebe were diverted. And one young man come here and said there was no cancellation, no violence. That people refuse to confront those carrying guns doesn't mean that there was no violence. A whole constituency, I have petitions with me, others have been submitted to INEC, that in Nembe, indeed, more than 7 wards, there was no election. As at 6 p.m., people were protesting, waiting for people to vote, staying with the non-sensitive materials. There was nobody to help them. The video records are there. We do know that at the end of the day, the theater will be shifted to the tribunal. Thank you.
Thank you.
The returning officer and all protocols duly observed. My name, Dr. Dennis Otiotu, and I represent APC. Incidentally, I am from Nimbi. I was there at Nimbi during the election, so I am an eyewitness. Fine, there were some reported cases of problems during the campaigns. But what we have today is in relation to the election. And during the election, the national commissioner, because, you know, they hype this thing, hey, Nembe is not safe, Nembe is violence, this, that. A national commissioner of INEC and other officials went to Nembe. They witnessed the distribution of materials, both at Ogbulmambri and at Basamri. The commissioner of police and other senior security chiefs were at Nembe. There was no single gunshot. There was no single incident of kidnapping, hijacking of materials. So I wonder where my friend is bringing is that a whole constituency was hijacked. Which of the constituencies? I want to join my colleague state agents who commended the efforts, the industrious manner in which your ad hoc staff performed in the local government area. And I commend them for future and further assignment. Thank you.
Thank you. Please, wait. Please allow you conclude, you know. So, Prof, have you reconciled? You've reconciled? They've agreed. So let me have your submission before you take a bow. Please attach your no, this way. Submit your everything to me. Your 40 GZ in there.
So we're witnessing submission of the results from Sagbama local government area.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you very, very much.